Hello friends, welcome back. As we see that data analytics is an area where we have to do a lot of decisions and do a lot of cleaning of data, let's look at a very important concept called if conditional statement. Now, if you are aware about the programming languages, we always use a conditional statement to figure out if the data meets a particular condition. So if you look at the way we write the if conditional statement, we start with is equal to here and then followed by if keyword, then there's a brackets and then there's condition, comma, true, comma, false. Okay, let's look at this from an example. Let me just move it to the right side here. And suppose we have some students and then they have got some marks out of 100 and then we have a result. Okay, all right, now let's take some examples here, like some names. Okay, any names what you want to take. Okay, then they have taken some marks out of 100, so let's say 59, 52. Somebody has actually scored 100, which is Tina actually. So then we have 63, 36, and we have 85. Okay. Now suppose we say that further the condition is that if a student, okay, takes or scores more than or equal to 50 marks, then the student is considered as pass, else he is considered as failed. Okay, so please concentrate on this concept here. So let me change the color for you to figure out the difference. Okay, so once again, if a student scores more than or equal to 50 marks, then the student is pass, else is failed. So we have to use the if condition here in the result column. So we go to is equal to here if, then press a tab. Okay, so when you press a tab, what happens? Automatically it ensures that it's capital letter and a bracket is open for you. Okay, then you have to tell what is the condition. So the condition is this marks should be more than or equal to, that is greater than equal to 50, comma, and if this is true, then we want to mention that there is a pass and then otherwise there is a fail. Okay, so if you concentrate here, you can see here if B2 is more than equal to 50, so B2 is the actual marks here and there's a comma there, so that's a condition. And then the true means the condition is passed or the condition is met, and the fail means condition is not met. And now if I press enter, you'll get a pass here, and then if it just double click here, it will actually fill it for others, and there's one failure here. Okay, because all other marks are more than equal to 50. Okay, so now if I change some values, let's say this 52 maybe lost some numbers and that is now 49, so you will see that the result also actually changes, right? So we can do this kind of simple if statements. Okay, so please rewind the video and try to understand this if statement. This is very basic and this is important. Thank you.